Good morning! Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today on the driveway, you know, man, I'm sorry. I just got done working a 20-hour day, Monday. So I'm a little lagging in sleep right now. I tried taking a picture for the gram. Didn't work out well. Didn't work out so well, so I ended up just going home. I'll post it up anyway. But anyway, if you guys follow me on the gram, Sunday, I had some really good picking via Letgo. So I'm on, this is a box. I need this box to ship something to me. Yep, that's part of the pick. Check this out. Echo PB580T backpack loader. Now this is really cool. This one I actually like, but I'm not going to keep it. Still, MS211C chainsaw. It's got a primer bolt. It has that easy start technology. You know when you're on a chainsaw or anything like a two-cycle, like you want to like jerk it. This one you don't have to jerk, and if you do jerk it, you run the risk of breaking the recoil. So, yeah, check this out. It's cold. Let's see if we can get this thing to start. Look, see that? Here we go. Okay. That runs too. No video on that. No. Okay, now. So check this out. As you guys know, this week I'm doing a lot of work on Mandingo. Some long overdue maintenance. Henry over at Mowers and Blowers looking over some Lucas transmission fluid. So we're definitely going to need it. Because as you guys know, Mandingo has a Detroit diesel in there and it's turboed. So it's got a bigger transmission. But there's nothing wrong with adding more fluid to it to, you know, increase, you know, cooling capabilities. And that's the biggest death of most transmissions. So one of the things I'm doing on Mandingo is the fuel lines are leaking, okay, and they're really crappy. So what I'm doing is I'm converting all the transmission lines and cooler lines to braided stainless steel, making my own hoses, and I'm actually adding a remote filter spin-on, you know, somewhere back behind the cab. So I have dual filtration, and extra fluid, better cooling, more longevity. So this is the only thing that I bought non-running. Okay. This, believe it or not, it was actually another good day. Let me go get that. So if you guys remember the free lawnmower that I got from Sam and Leo over at S&L Brothers was missing the air filter cover and needed rear wheels. Well, I know a guy, 5-Speed Ash, he's over near work, and he has the filter cover. So I ran over there, picked it up from him real quick, gave me a good filter, and that should go on like so. Nope, other way. Stick that in there. Yep. He gave me the bolt for it too, but it must have fell off. So this is going to be good to go. I thought about it. We're going to paint this. We're going to restyle it. So that project can be finished now. You can put that away. I know you guys know I was going to work on the Honda and adjust the valves, but no time. Uh-oh, delivery. So I picked up this lawnmower with the bag. Look, the guy did the carriage bolts wrong. Pain in my ass. But let's take this down. Yeah, he didn't know what he was doing. So between the carriage bolts, right? And he said the bag didn't work. This is why the bag didn't work. This goes on the inside. It doesn't go on. I don't know what he was thinking. Okay? And then you see these clips here. Bag doesn't work because he didn't even have this set up right. See that? You know, man, people, dangerous. I don't know what he was thinking. You know, I don't buy stuff brand new. So I know sometimes you can get equipment fully assembled or out of the box. I guess he didn't want to read the instructions. I don't know. So you know what? If he can't assemble this lawnmower bag, right, properly, then he must have a really, really hard time with IKEA furniture. That shit is brutal. So, remember what I tell you when you buy something from somebody? Don't trust anybody. Don't trust them. Because when it doesn't work out, right, it's not the truth, there's no need to get upset. But if it does work out, and you expect it not to work out, then you're over elated with joy. Okay? So he had this lawnmower for sale for $50. And I didn't feel like paying $50 for it. So I let it sit and sit and sit and sit. And all he said is that he was moving. So I waited a week because I don't know how long does it take people to move. And then I made him my $30 offer. See? And he took it. See? Now the bag works. And it seals. But also, his blade is in really good shape. I don't know if you guys can see that. Blade's in good shape. So, nowhere in the ad he didn't advertise it was a non-running condition. There is some gas in here. Very little. Probably not going to run. But he says it should. Remember, trust nobody. You only paid $30 for it. So what we're going to do, right? A little bit of SEAFOAM, just a cap full. Okay, I just got gas. So I have to treat it. I treat all my gas. Now the reason why I treat gas is projects. Not everybody has projects. Sometimes projects go by the wayside. And if you don't drain out the gas when you get stuck in a project or hung up in a project, guess what? You're going to have to clean the carburetor out too. So I got sick of doing that because I have a lot of projects. So this works. We'll do that. And I think it's 2 ounces for 5 gallons. Yep, so 2 ounces, 5 gallons. So just going to squeeze that up. Get 1 ounce. And we're good to go. That's it. Don't forget, SEAFOAM's also a stabilizer. It's also a cleaner. Uh-oh. Look at this. So maybe someone was in here, or maybe not, but the air filter isn't on correctly. But let's see. How much oil we got? We're actually overfilled with oil. But it's clean. That's fine. Too much oil. Nothing much that would stop us from trying to do something with it. So let's fill it up with fresh fuel. Now this is no primer, or else there'd be a big red button there. We're just going to give this thing a couple of tugs. Let's see what happens. I'm going to say it's not going to run. That's a pulse. It's not going to run. Alright, so here we go. Just a little bit of go-go juice. Right down the intake filter. Okay. Let's see what we got. Let's just try them one more time. See if it'll hold. Thank you for lunch! Sorry about that. So, yeah, so see that, listen, we thought we might have to clean out the carburetor. Sometimes just by waking it up a little bit, and remember, the SEAFOAM, clean stuff right out. Let's see what we got. So that's nice and easy, quick and easy money, right? Even if we had to clean out the carburetor, it's not a bad thing, but guess what? Thank you, SEAFOAM. No carburetor cleaning. So, I don't know, I guess I've been lucky, right? That Stihl chainsaw that I posted on Monday. Now, the reason why I posted that video, right? Because everybody, you know, well, you really didn't do anything, right? So, sometimes you shake your head when people complain that their machine doesn't run. Well, take out the old gas and put fresh gas in there. Now, people like me and you who've been doing this for quite some time or been around a couple of machines know that that's not going to happen. Once that carburetor's clogged up, that's it. But really, we don't know how long that carburetor's been clogged. We don't know how bad the jets are plugged up. Are they partially plugged up? Are they rock solid from years and years and years? So, you know, I posted that up in case, you know, you guys know I hate two-cycle, right? But I work on them anyway. But before you get to that step, it doesn't hurt you to try and do something as simple as, you know, treating gas, putting a little fuel in there, trying to wake up the carburetor with some ether, go-go juice, okay? So, when you spray ether down the throat of any carburetor, right? You are, like, you're fooling the diagnostic process, right? Like, you can't sit there and I don't want to badmouth other people, but, you know, when guys go, this thing doesn't run, they check out the spark plug, they're checking spark stuff. Why are you doing that? They're checking with the compression. Stop! 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 Get a can of ether, get a can of go-go juice, spray it right down the freaking hole, okay? And if the motor runs, okay, you know you have air, you know you have spark, you know you have compression, you're missing fuel, because all of those equal the pinky is combustion, right? You're missing any of those components, you're not going to get combustion. Well, obviously there's timing too, but that'll be for a different video. Right? That's very rare you come across something that's out of timing, right? But, I mean, this is, pay $30, want to be generous, $5 in gas and SEAFOAM and treatment, you know, and then, you know, we got to take care of the oil. Blade's freaking phenomenal shape, Gotta power wash this, and we'll put this thing up for sale for $135. Remember, last year I was selling lawnmowers at $130 for the past 2-3 years. Mid-season, I started putting them up at $135 because I just kept selling them. And I was still selling lawnmowers at $135. So I netted myself an extra, I think, $80 last year after increasing my prices just by $5. There's nothing wrong with pushing the envelope. You can always go down in a negotiation process. You can never go up. I have never been successfully able to go up in a negotiation process. So, yeah, let's give this one more pull. And that's that. This thing runs freaking awesome. Alright guys, that's what we like. Quick and easy money. Money, we like that. Alright guys, if you guys found this video helpful, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Later.